Hey friends, welcome back to Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today's video is not about yarn. But it is Friday, it's the last day of the month, and I thought I would just throw an extra video out there. Thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it. If you have time and you want to click on my channel name and see if there's any videos that you missed this month, please do that. And you can get caught up, and that'll just give me the views and watch to end out the month, since it is the last day of the month. A few weeks ago, Big Daddy and I had went to Walmart. That video just recently came out this week. I'm trying to see what my cat's doing over here. Anyway, I had saw these at Walmart clearance down to $1, and I love these surprise balls, blind bags, whatever you want to call them. You don't know what's in it. But I thought for $1, oh yeah, I'll get 2 of them. So I got $2 this is a Mee Meows mystery. I have no idea what that says. Aphmau, I don't know. Anyway, let's just see what's in them. Let's just open them up and see what's in here. I've never seen these before in the store, and I just happened upon a display of them, and they were marked down to $1. Okay, so it's shaped like a little kitty cat. Well, let's see. Oh, there you go. Okay, and there's some kind of little tray thing in here. There seems to be a paper. Let's see what's in there. Look. I guess it's going to show the different things you can get in different balls. Let's see. So it's some different little squishy figure. There's 8 different ones. Oh, there's a little elephant. Elephants remind me of my son, Dakota. A monkey cat. Oh, wait, they're cats. But they're other animals, too, like an elephant cat, a bee cat, caterpillar cat, a lion cat, a zebra cat, a giraffe cat, a panda cat, and a monkey cat. Okay, let's see what we got here. How can you go wrong? Oh, it's a zebra. Oh, wow. And it is squishy. It's a little squishy animal. And it's a cat. It has cat ears. But it is also a zebra. So it is a zebra cat. Well, how cute is that? Oh, yeah, let's just see. Let's just test this out. Oh, yeah, he bounces all over the place. I'll probably use them in photo props with my dolls that I take pictures of for Instagram, which I got to get back to doing. I enjoy doing that. Uh-oh. This just bounces all over the place. Okay, enough of that. Get it together, Kayla. Okay, so I'm going to open my next one. Let me see, this might help me. Open that. I probably should have got a couple more of these. They had a whole box of them. But I just picked up 2. What are we going to get in this one? I'm hoping for the elephant or monkey. I don't know. They're all cute, so it don't really matter. Let me see if I can get this off without stabbing myself. There we go. And it feels heavy. Okie dokie. It looks like it. I see blue through here. It is. It's the elephant. Oh, how cute. How cute, how cute. It is, the little squishy elephant. Aww. I may end up having to give that to Dakota. He likes little fidget things also. It don't bounce quite as, yeah, it does, yeah. Oh. So here I got the elephant. But I don't know if it's got really cat ears. That one seems to have cat ears. The elephant just seems to have elephant ears. But they're cute. Something to fidget. Dakota likes things to fidget too. So I may end up giving him the elephant. If he's nice. He's actually headed to New York. He's still on the airplane. He's supposed to land in New York at 11:30. He left here and changed planes in Atlanta this morning. And then he's been texting me along the way, letting me know updates, you know, that he just boarded the plane and they'll be landing in Atlanta 11:30 my time. So he's still got about 30 minutes to get landed there, and he is going to get to go see all kinds of musicals and plays and maybe art museums and visit some bakeries and things like that while he is in New York. I'm so excited for him. I'm glad he got this opportunity to go and have some fun. I told him, I said, travel while you're young and can, you know, get around and do things. So hopefully he does have a great weekend. I know he's going to see the play Hamilton, and both my kids loved that play, so that is good. And I'm not sure what else. He named off a whole bunch of stuff, but I can't remember what all he said, but sounded like a lot of fun to me. What are you guys up to for the weekend? Do you have plans? We do not have any plans whatsoever. We are just going to chill, enjoy whatever day it brings, you know, whatever the day brings. I know my neighbor Zeke's mom, Erica, she's going to come down and visit at some point this weekend. And I've got yarn bags to give her for her co-op crochet class. So, I was just pulling the tags off of these. I don't know if these are worth saving or what, but anyway, she's going to come down and visit probably Sunday. And, I can give her those bags for her co-op class. And I don't know. Just visit. You know, sometimes it's just nice to visit. And I enjoy visiting with her. And hopefully she enjoys visiting with me. Phoebe enjoys her coming down because she sits on the bench by Phoebe's desk and just holds Phoebe and pets her the whole time, and Phoebe sits over there and pretends like she hadn't had any petting in months and months and months, and makes Erica feel sorry for her. And she just loves on Phoebe and pets her. I don't know if I told y'all this last weekend. It was last Saturday, early in the day. I had just put Phoebe out to go potty. And then, the cats are running crazy laps right now. I had just put Phoebe out to potty, and then, next thing I knew, Erica was walking down the road, because she, goes for a walk, and walks past our house, down into the wildlife management area. And so she walked by, and Phoebe saw her, and took off out there after her. And so I went in there and I told Big Daddy, I said, I put Phoebe out to potty, and then Erica walked by, and Phoebe took off after her. So imagine she's going to have to bring Phoebe home. And she did. She had to bring that girl home because she was so happy to see Erica. As if she doesn't get any petting from anywhere else, you know. Alright guys, I'm going to upload this video. My little zebra cat and my elephant cat. That does say elephant cat, doesn't it? Yes, it does. But it doesn't look like cat at all. I wouldn't even say those were cat ears. I can see on some of the others it does look like cat ears. But the elephant one does not. To me. That's just me. Let me know in the comments what's going on with you this weekend, your plans. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, friends. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I know there's tons of YouTube videos out there, and you could have chose to click on any video. I'm honored that you clicked on my video to spend a few minutes of your life with me. I hope you have a great day. It's a beautiful day to crochet or do anything else that brings you happiness. Bye, friends.